Hello everybody, I'm LEGO Separator and I'm here to provide inspiration on what to build with LEGO bricks. So today we're back with another monthly middle build from LEGO. This one is 40324. It was released in April 2019 and it is a Ladybird. And I will show you how to make this and I will be introducing the pieces as I go along, so feel free to pause at any time of the video to see what's going on. So without further ado, let's get started. So we're going to start off with a 2x2 standard base plate in red like this, and underneath that we're going to attach a 1x2 handle piece in black like this, and behind that a 2x3 standard base plate in black as well. Now for the end of the Ladybird we're going to be using this regular roof tile piece in red, and over here in the center we're going to be attaching two more of these black handle pieces. These are going to attach the wings later on to the body of our Ladybird over here, or Ladybug, you can call it whatever you like. A 2x2 base plate again in red on top of here. Now we're going to flip this over, and in underneath the Ladybird over here we're going to attach a 2x2 round base plate in dark grey like this, and we're going to make the legs of our Ladybird. So we'll need one of these 8 handle base plates in black. We're going to flip it upside down and we're going to get these small sort of skeleton arm, or it is some sort of skeletal looking pieces, and we're going to be using 6 of them to make the legs of our Ladybird. We're just going to attach them to the handles here, and I suppose now we can have the fact of the day. So Johnny, what's the fact of the day today? So the fact of the day is regular Ladybirds can eat more than 5,000 bugs in their whole life, making them a good luck charm for farmers and growers. That's especially useful, well, the regular Ladybirds, I suppose, yeah, because they eat quite a lot. They eat bugs, yeah, they're carnivorous. Anyway, so we're gonna stick this handle base plate underneath there like so. So now our Ladybird can stand up. Now it's time to make the wings. So for one wing we are going to be using this 1x2 base plate with clips in the side, and we're going to get this 3x3 base plate slightly rounded, and we're going to attach it just like so. And we're going to make some spots on our Ladybird, because Ladybirds have spots, just about all of them. So we're going to be using these single round studs in black. We're just going to stick one over on the end over here and another one over here like this. Okay, so we have one wing. Now let's make the other wing. Now this wing will be mirrored. So we're just going to stick the handle base plate and the rounded base plate. I'm going to stick the spots on as well. Of course, you can have any color spots you like. I do believe that Ladybirds do vary in their color and spots. We're going to stick these wings onto the sides over here, onto these handles like this. And all we have left now is the head. So let's put that aside now. We're going to be getting this single base plate with a single clip like this, and on top of that we're going to attach this side attachment brick with 2 attachments, one on either side. We're going to stick that on top just like this, and it's flying around in my hands everywhere. And all we need now is 2 of these lever pieces with white bases, and these are going to be our little antennae, so we just need to stick them into the side. We can point them in any direction that we like, just like this. We're going to bring back the main body, stick the head into the clip like so, and there we've done it. So there we have it, our Ladybird / Ladybug is complete. Very nice, simple model, I should say. That was a pretty quick model compared to the other mini builds that I've built so far. And very nice bright red, nice pieces that are reusable over and over again. This Ladybird, well, it looks like it's come out of a book. I mean, look at it. I mean, look how it's the size compared to a minifigure. Yeah, hang on, what's this mechanic doing here? Ah, I just found him. You know what, actually, it's so big that somebody can ride on this giant Ladybird and go to fly off and, you know, protect some crops, you know, a big giant scarecrow. But that's the end of our video, so I hope to show you more in the future. I hope this inspired you, And until next time, happy building!